Tired of squinting at Peachtree's default font and wishing you could give it a makeover? Let's jump right in and show you how to set your preferred default font in Peachtree. First, make sure you have Peachtree open and are logged in. Then, navigate to the Options menu. You'll typically find it at the top of your Peachtree window. In the menu bar, give that a click. From the drop-down menu, select Global Options. This is where the magic happens. The Global Options window will appear now. Look for the Fonts tab. It's usually among several tabs, so click on Fonts to bring up the font settings. Here, you'll see different font categories like General, Reports, and sometimes more specific areas. Each category controls the font used in that section of Peachtree. Let's start with changing the General font. Click on the General category to select it. After selecting General, click the Change Font button. A familiar font selection window will pop up. This is where you get to choose your desired font style like bold or italic, and size. Browse through the fonts and pick one you like. For example, you might choose Arial, set it to bold, and increase the size to 12 for better readability. Once you're happy with your font settings, click OK to close the font selection window. Next, click OK on the Global Options window to save all your changes. Peachtree might need to restart or refresh to apply the new font settings. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your default font in Peachtree, making it easier on the eyes and giving your reports a professional touch. Enjoy your personalized Peachtree experience.